Yawning while working out. You're not lazy, it's your brain asking for help. When you train hard, your brain heats up. Yawning is your body's cooling system, helping regulate temperature and alertness.
Here's how to stop yawning mid-set. Warm up properly. 5 minutes of light cardio preps your nervous system. Breathe through your nose, keeps oxygen steady and brain cool. Stay cool, sip cold water or use a fan. Fix your sleep. Yawning equals body still tired. Mix up your routine. Mental boredom leads to physical yawns. In your next workout, use these 5 tips. Track if your yawns drop. Subscribe to Fitness Lab for more powerful training fixes that actually work.